Romanian AB 3,000 euros net plus Italian social security to Embark 1417. Romanian seafarers serving as emigrants, correct me if wrong, have to pay around 700 euros for the pension, maximum pension to have plus sanitary assistance of 50, let's say 750 euros. If you are on board the cruise, if you are on board the flag of convenience, or even fishing ships far away, or any situation outside as emigrant. Therefore, here the proposal is 3,000 euros in AB. You need to be certified 2.4 or 2.5 STCW. No English required, just Romanian language. Like and subscribe, pass throughout all the groups of seafarers in Romania. We're talking about 22 ro-ros and 55 ro-packs, total 77 ships. That's 10 ABs per ship, 770 jobs. So at home 40%, total 1,300 approx ABs we are requiring today. Also, aside from these competitive advantages of 700 euros, you have to pay approx, correct me if wrong, you can write below. Then, because this is 3,000 euros plus social security, we also have unemployment in Italy. Once you are accrued, you have a total of 2 years, you have the right of 2 years more. This is something that also you can investigate today, invest in yourself. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you like this proposal. Have you think about it? Because the security of this huge company, there's 14 reasons why we made the list. We're putting in the video. I hope you like them, but just use the pen and calculate. I don't know exactly how much it is. So you have apples with apples, the same social security that you are now not having and you have to pay for, but this time we are looking after you, Romanian Navy. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much indeed. And after 2 contracts, if you want to promote, then to officer, you have this option with Candina. Thank you. Bye.